scum. Nobody breaks the law on my watch. I'm confiscating your stolen goods. Now pay your fine, or it's off to jail.
Would you also like to play stupid stuff like this through your very expensive tiny flying helicopter? Well, if you did, you come to the right place. Northwind Aerial, where we do stupid stuff with drones because it's fun. DJI drones are really cool pieces of technology. If you didn't know that, then I don't know what you're doing at this channel. Some of them come with PSDK ports, or Payload System Development Kits is the actual proper name for them, that allow you to plug in first-party or third-party attachments, such as this loudspeaker and lighting combination that I have. The PSDK port will allow you to operate these various attachments directly from the drone interface itself. So today I kind of wanted to cover something that I find fun, I find funny, and that is adding on various bits of media to play through the drone instead of using it just as a text-to-speech device, instead of just recording your voice and projecting it out there. It's adding on funny music and turning your drone into a flying jukebox, because why not? Now, there's several different ways of adding on various sound effects and everything to your drone. So we're going to start off with just using the drone controller by itself. So you're going to want to find the MP3, obviously, of whatever you want to play. So let's go nice and patriotic over here, and we are going to download the American National Anthem. You simply go to your Firefox, which is built into the drone controller itself. This is going to be your main web browser. You type in whatever you're looking for, and you're going to pull it up right here. Find something that allows you to directly download the MP3. So for instance, right here, hit download, and there we go. Now we have the National Anthem installed on here. Turn it up. Playing it over my controller right now. That's all fine and dandy, but we want to play it through our drone. So for that, we come over here to our Pilot 2, and you're going to come over here on your drone controller, and you're going to go down to the PSDK app right here on the bottom. Going to come over here to this microphone, and you're going to come over here to your audio list, and you can see that I have the stop right there, criminal scum, and I also have the police siren. So let's see the police siren. I've only got a 20% volume. See? So now to add a new MP3 to your audio list, so you're going to top up here on the audio list on the top right. Come to internal storage, download, and you can see right there we have the United States National Anthem. Select that, confirm, and it'll, next thing you know, it's right up there. From there you can simply rename it. So we're going to rename it, because that is way too long. We're simply going to rename it to be Anthem. Save. Now it's good to go. It's ready to play. Takes a little bit for it to send all the data over. So now you can see it's all loaded up right here. All you gotta do is hit play. So that's one way of doing it. Let's go over the next. Every way of adding on various sounds and everything to this drone, they're all going to follow along the exact same lines. The best way I've found to do this is by using an app that allows you to download various songs and whatnot to use as ringtones, which would work great on here if you could actually download apps without using just the APK. You cannot download items from the App Store using the App Store on a DJI controller. Why? I don't know, but I sure wish they would be a little more lenient on that. So I've had luck before with installing APKs on these in order to use the download apps, but for whatever reason, they updated the app and now I cannot get that to work. But we can easily do it with our phone. So for this, we're going to use Zedge, which I have the app pulled up on my phone. Come up here, And let's type in something ridiculous. Let's type in Fortnite. Let's get the Fortnite song. Alright, so see right here, we have the Fortnite Default Dance song. Now all we gotta do is download that, which we will do right here. Save to media folder. Perfect. Then once whatever you've got downloaded you want to get over onto your controller, you can actually do it wirelessly. All you need is to have your phone paired with your controller via Bluetooth. That's honestly one of the easiest ways of sending photos on these controllers that don't usually come with the lightning transfer model stuff that DJI Fly usually has. So Bluetooth works fairly well. So with that, right here, we'll come to our Fortnite Default Dance. We'll hit Share, More, hit DJI RC+, and you'll see it come in over here on the controller. Hit Accept, and it'll send it right on over. Now you repeat the exact same process that we did for the first time. Go over to PSDK, hit up top, internal storage, except this time you're going to go over to Bluetooth, and what do you know, there it is right there. Confirm, it's loaded up. Wait for it to go. There you go, good to go. Now let's go over the third way of doing it, which is using a computer and a tethered cable. Alright, so now we're here at our PC. We have our controller. Now all you need to do is plug the controller into your PC and then turn on the controller. With this, the controller will recognize the piece of hardware as a storage unit that can have files transferred back and forth. So, USB-C cable right here. Just go ahead and plug it in. And then turn it on as usual. And you can set that to the side. And now we go pick out whatever song we want. Alright, so now you can see here's my list of various music that I have over here from Epidemic Sound, so that way I don't get copyright struck on my own channel. And over here on the left we have all of our music, and over here on the right we have the DJI RC+. Now it's very simple. Come over here, we'll go to music, and we're going to take my outro music, which is High Tech by Rocket Jr., and literally just copy it over. That's as simple as you can get. Now we simply disconnect the RC+ and follow the exact same steps of adding that onto the playlist. Alright, so once again, come down here, follow the exact same steps, except this time we're going to music. And confirm, and it should pop up here in just a second. It's going to take a little while longer. There you go, and there you go. Now we have my outro music. This one will obviously take quite some time in order for it to get fully loaded up because it's a full 3-minute or so song. So yeah, there you go. There's 3 different ways of uploading various songs and meme sounds to your drone. Let's see how it sounds outside, cranked up at full volume. Alright, let's set the volume to 100. There you go. Hopefully this helps you turn your drone into this. I know it's just kind of a silly little video, but figured why not share some of the knowledge. So hopefully you have enjoyed this video. Hopefully it helps you out. Show me your videos of what you play through your drone, because it's funny to me. But until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.